Hey guys, Craig from Wattle Accountants. Today we're going to summarize what you need to start a subcontracting business in Australia. So the first thing is making sure you're registered. So first step is to get a ABN. So just go to the Australian Business Register website. I'll put a link in the description below. Complete the application. Don't pay a third party to do it. It's pretty straightforward. When you complete the application, it will give you an option to register for GST. So if you're going to make more than $75,000 in a financial year, you'll need to be registered. So the next step is getting paid. So that's going to be done with an invoice. So there's a few different options. The most common is using an accounting software package to invoice your clients. So MyHub, QuickBooks, Xero, these are the most popular ones at the moment. There are free alternatives such as just using a Word document, something like that. Some of the Australian banks actually have invoicing as a free solution within their banking platform, so have a look into those. Another good tip is to make sure you just have a separate bank account for the business. It just makes it easier for accounting purpose, and doesn't need to be a business account, just a separate bank account just for the business. Probably one of the big questions that actually comes up often is how to pay yourself a wage. So typically subcontractors are sole traders, which means there are no wage. Your profit is your wage, so there's nothing you need to do from an accounting or tax point of view. So don't need to be worried about that. The next question is how do I pay my super now that you're off on your own? So you just make it as a personal super contribution. So just reach out to your retail industry fund. They'll step you through the process on how to do that. But typically you just transfer, say, $10,000. You make the notification, and then you'll get a statement, which means you can claim the $10,000 as a personal super contribution. So the last question we want to talk about is what lodgements, now that you're running a business, what do you need to be aware of? What do you need to keep up to date with? So the income tax return is an annual return. You should already be doing this, but you're going to be adding your income and expenses from the business there. If you've got an accounting software such as MyHub, QuickBooks, Xero, you can just export the income and expenses from there, and you're good to go. If you don't have the accounting software, you can just export your transactions from your bank account and give that to your accountant, and they can just summarize it that way. So that works too, and it doesn't cost extra. The GST, if you're registered for GST, you'll have to lodge a business activity statement quarterly and pay that. Once again, you can get the information from your accounting system, or it can just be summarized from your bank statements. So if you are thinking about starting a subcontracting business or have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, thanks for watching the video, and see you at the next one.